In the chaos following Hurricane Katrina, thousands sought refuge at Houston's Convention Center. Leading a team from Scripps Health, President and CEO Chris Van Gorder recalls when they provided critical care to survivors with nowhere else to go.
There's a lot of thank you cards. These are cards that actually came from the local community. Probably one of the most important anyway, personally to me, is this card, have hope, completely unsigned, help is on the way. And I got to tell you, we were the help.
The mission was clear: to provide much needed medical treatment in a chaotic and overwhelming environment.
Our job was to take care of the survivors. They did not want to be called victims.
Over 2 weeks, they cared for some 5,000 people. During it all, Van Gorder recalls a moment of quiet humanity with a young orphaned girl.
Her parents had been killed. And I remember sitting, I sat on the floor of a big hallway, and we played catch together. And then she finally came on over and sat next to me and held my hand. And, Jesus. That's probably the only piece that the little girl had.
Free from the usual hospital bureaucracy, the Scripps team focused solely on care.
When you're out there, we're not worrying about billing. There are minimal medical records. All it was about was taking care of people. And I can tell you, the nurses and the docs loved that.
The mission left a lasting impact on the team, and Van Gorder says the faces and stories still remind him of hope amid hardship.
The humanity and the loss, and it was difficult, but it was incredibly rewarding as well.
Brian White, CBSA.